This is PQRST Problem 2. The problem is as follows. So we're first going to visualize the problem with a diagram because the instructions are fairly complicated. And so it's basically a series of prisms with a length of 1, width of square root of absolute value of x times ln of x, and height of 1 over 2x plus 3. And so the volume for each prism piece is going to be this equation when for any value of x that is greater than or equal to 2, yes, which is shown. And so we can write this as a series, but we're going to take the limit as n goes to infinity, which thus can be written as an infinite series of n equals 2 to infinity of the volume equation. And so we're going to try out before we try out any series, we're going to rewrite it as removing the absolute value function because all the n values we're dealing with are positive. And so we're going to first use the comparison test, and we're going to compare it with 1 over 2n plus 3. So we're going to assume that 1 over 2n plus 3 diverges, and because square root of n times ln of n is greater than 1 for any value of n we're dealing with, we're going to hope that the 1 over 2n plus 3 diverges, because that as a result of that diverging, our series will also diverge. And so we know that the harmonic series diverges, and we use the limit comparison test to find that the ratio between those two series is a finite positive ratio, and so thus 1 over 2n plus 3 diverges because the harmonic series also diverges, and because of the comparison test, as a result, our series also diverges. So the volume does not exist because the volume's value diverges. And as an alternative approach, we could use an integral test. Theoretically, if the integral, which is written by my hand right now, if that diverges, then our integral value and our series value will also diverge. But we don't have the tools to find the integral value right at the moment, but we're going to assume, and we can also use a calculator to see that if we use the integral for that, we are going to say that the integral value diverges, and thus we get the same result. The volume's value diverges. And so if you like that video, please remember to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting 2 more videos in approximately 2 hours. Thank you for watching.